our stainless steel file cabinet. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 35.5 inches, a depth of 24.5 inches, a height of 39.5 inches tall with legs. Without the legs, we have 33 3/4 inches. Coming to the top will be a lip that surrounds the left, back, and right edge. The measurements for the internal surface, we have 34 inches in length, 23 3/4 inches in depth, and the height for the lip, we have 2 inches. Coming to the left and right will be your 2 drawers. Included will be 6 keys. Each key will lock and unlock the top and bottom left and right doors. The measurements for each left and right drawer, we have 15 1/4 inches in length by 14 3/4 inches in depth. And a height, we have 3.5 inches tall. Measurements apply for the left and right drawer. Coming to the bottom, will be your storage cabinet. The measurements will include 35 1/4 inches in length by 22.5 inches in depth. Overall height, we have 20 inches. Please note that the shelf can be adjusted to height. Coming to the back of the cabinet will be all solid stainless steel. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.